Oh, it's almost like the music just keeps looping forever. Shower, cup of tea, a few snacks, and we're still in the game. Sorry, excuse the crunchy. I'm deep in the Oh, JB and Felix watching. It's just you guys. It's just us. Do you want to get a little update on what we got going on? Oh yeah. Loading. Oh, lovely. Okay, so we have here level 1, and over on the side we've got the Robo-Mo 2000. Takapi, how are ya? I got some JB, we got some. I was about to text you this. I got the wasabi by accident. I was trying to get the regulars. Got the wasabis. This is the Robo-Mo 2000. And we can mow if we set a record point and then record little boosts. We got little boosts now. You can see on the Robo-Mo the lawn quality going up. We can set a loop point, and the satisfaction meter is climbing as we keep the lawn quality high. As you see people up in arms, they made them from peas. I mean, they're made from peas, right? Green peas, 71%. And once the satisfaction meter gets through to the top, up, boom, it loads level 2. Level 2, you're playing this and you're like, what are these mushrooms? You record a little thing. And you go, boop, and it makes you grow bigger. Oh, it's like Super Mario. Felix, tell me about it. Felix, tell me about it. We can go boop and grow it. And the mushrooms grow back, of course. Keep that lawn quality high. It is going a bit slow because I'm on debug mode. Loop. Get that lawn quality up. Robo-Mo 2.0 complete. Oh, they looked at this and they were like, that's a P. I can't actually beat this level because the debug mode makes it too slow. They looked at that and they were like, that's a P. Was it on Face Tracker or something? But it's made of peas. It's just ground up peas. Okay, we'll open the next level because, in fact, we'll run it in release mode because we get a little slow. The mushroom mod, Jonathan J. Is that the Jonathan J? Is that the Jonathan J and James Brown? 29% not peas. Okay, Robo-Mo. Recording, Robo-Mo, Robo-Mo, recording, rolling. I missed a patch, get that. Okay. Lawn quality is through the roof. Just the ones I'm dropping, my friend. How are we going to show the boost levels? Whether we've got boost or not? Okay. Can we beat this level? Mow it up. And Does it even change how fast you cut the grass? I don't think the scale actually does anything. Or does it? Maybe it does. It does. Oh, the lawn quality is high. Okay, level 3. Now we got 2 Robo Bros. And rocks. So we can get this. Bzz, bzz. And we can go do the edging around the Robo Bros. Do the edging around here. Oh, the rock is so painful. Okay, that's good enough. Recording. Bzzzt. Bzzzt. Is this the actual Jonathan James? We're making Robomo, like blah blah blah. Zoop. Okay, the lawn quality is high. We've got no audio. The engine doesn't support audio yet. I don't know if this is the Jonathan J. Is there a level 4? Okay, this is level 4. This is a tester. So you're all like, well, can I even get through? You can't get through there. But we'll save that for later. Oh, we got the little guy. Let's pick up these bits. And then get the little guy. Where are the dogs? Yeah, where are the dogs? They're sad because Mum was taking apart the bed and stuff to sell. She keeps popping out and they're sad. Bzz. I don't know what happens if we get... It goes back to level 1. That's quite clever. Okay. Endless loop. It is you though. You don't know who Jonathan J... You're not Jonathan James. A different Jonathan J. Okay, we got a second version Robomo. Is it available? Game dev. Robomo 2002. Well, it's getting bigger. No preview. Download. Good old Google Drive. The slowest in the West. Did it actually save anywhere? No. It's just loading. Okay, there we go. Blender. Robomo 2002. Save. Open file. I'm ready. Oh, wow. Wow, that's no-go Robo Pro. Look at the work. This is for the sequel. Wow. Lawn quality. Robomo 2000, 3000. That's cool, the Try Me. Robo Pro. Satisfaction O meter. Nice. Oh no, now I have to... Did anything change position per chance? Play button, record button. Did anything change position? Do I have to... Yeah, there's some slight... I know it's alright. We'll put them in manually. That's sick. That's legendary. The quality. All someone needs really is a brief. What happens when you mow another blue mushroom when you're still tiny? I think you get even tinier. Should we find out? Let's do an experiment for Felix. Felix asks. So we have an editor, we can put down a blue mushroom and then another blue mushroom. And we go small and then we go beep. Boop. Oh, what happened? Go small, go tiny. Maybe you gotta eat 2 blue mushrooms to get like microscopic. Very cool, man. Okay, back to RoboMo 3000. So this is the RoboMo body. If I hide this, oh, you've got the antenna that can be animated. This guy's leading the development now. He's like, yeah, I made it. Can you add a thing? I'm like, yeah, it's boss. I'm just kidding. Kinda. Okay. RoboMo 2002. I'm going to call this the RoboMo 3000. Oh, you know what we should have is the update. I mean, you know, the upgradable RoboMo. Okay, make this a Djini one and export. Then we need the needle. And we had to put it to the center, didn't we? What was I just being... Let's output it like this. It's gonna break. RoboMo 2000 needle could not triangulate. Add modifier, generate, triangulate. GLTB needle. And this is GLTB, the progress bar. And then we got the play button, we got the record button. Thanks for splitting all this out. The playback button and the, because the switches work. The switches all work. We didn't have to do anything. I feel like I just did something silly. Let's just see what happens. Looks like a VST that would giving onboys. Okay. Looks the same. My bad. So game.h, let's just bring in the RoboMo 2000, so 3000. Yeah, well, we've got to... Yo. And the buttons all work. But when you hit record and play and stuff, I could... So how are we doing the switches? Because the switches work. And they're good. The switch, all it is we add... It's a switch and then we transform it. So it's at 0 and then we transform it. So perhaps for the needle, we don't need to do this and then we transform it. And this will work. Thoughts? Yeah, we don't actually have any... Oh, where is the needle? It's just a second. Platform. CPP. We are getting GLFW samples 4. It's giving a bit of that. I don't know why. I thought that would be... I don't know why we're getting so much anti-aliasing, because I am using MSAA. Render passes. Is this something to do with... Cool. Oh, environment, ambient light intensity. Okay, combined. Hey, Laius, we're in there. Yeah, we've got to add a audio engine to the game, to the engine, and then we've got to record audio. Okay, so the needle does not work. The needle EXIF is that why does the needle not work when the other one does? There, now it works. Okay. But we can't do this rotation after the fact? Or could we? That would be amazing. No. Do I just have to do this? Surely there's a way to do this. We're back. We're back here. We've been here before. We haven't made an audio engine yet. What door? Okay, so none of this works. It has to be at 0. Yeah, I noticed that. Embarrassing.
Well, my phone died and I forgot that I was going to pay with my phone.
Oh no.
I had 35 cash in my pocket, so I just had to be like, I'm sorry, can you just delete that and that and that and that and that?
Oh no. Yeah, I fed them. Okay, so this fun game again where we have to manually input some things. Oh, they're the same numbers? They're almost the same numbers. 6, 0, 5, 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 1, 4, 4, 5, 4, 1. Okay. Needle position back to square one. Alunya, what's happening? Oh yes, we've got our thing. We can record. Satisfaction-o-meter is climbing. The lawn quality's busted, but which way is it? Robo Pro.
Robo Pro.
Look at the new Robo mode.
That's so cute. Oh
Yes.
wow.
Boom.
That is awesome.
So good.
The Robo Pro.
Try me. We need the little record button to be buttonable. Okay, so one more step, which is to take this thing, put it at 0, export it. There's probably a way to do this in Engine, but I'm just a bit fried to do it manually. So 876127, are these the same number? 8719, they're a little different. Just input these. 19, so Z is Y. This is point, insert 27227. 87013 is the same, and 61334 is the same. So this should give us progress. Progress report. Lawn quality is growing. Yes, beautiful. What if, instead of like returning to the point when you stop the recording, you have to go there to stop the recording? And if you run out of record time, it just cancels the recording. That way there'd be no more like return, no more return to base issues. Oh, the satisfaction-o-meter. How are we going to communicate this without any text? Robo Pro. Yes. Okay, cool. Voice acting. Oh yeah, we've got gnomes as well. I didn't show you the gnome, JB. Did I show you the gnome? We got level 4. Has that got a gnome in it? No. JB was on the chat. Well, with Felix. If I was to make a level, so we got this thing here. We've got also these guys, gnomes. We also need a Robomo start position there. We'll just save this as level 5 for now. Whoops. We'll quit, just so I can fix the camera. We're here. Okay, so this is the gnome. So you'd be mowing away, and you're like, nice, I'm doing this. What's the gnome do? Do, do. It brings the grass back. It's like, oh, come on. Come on, bruh. You gotta get around him. Yeah.
I'm so sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
Would you eat these or should I?
It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful game. Cool. What's for dinner? So Lou is making rice bowls. Poke bowls. Poke bowls. Okay, good. Rubber mode. Oh, we just need the antennae. We need this guy. Who got the little fancy Wi-Fi antennae? Robomo 2000 antenna. Porcupine balls. Porcupine balls. Not actual balls. Pokeballs. Porky balls. Porcupine balls. That's what we call JB. Oh, I'm gonna replace the apples. Triangulate. So the Robomo antenna, this is going to be another thing that's going to be like... Oh, is this going to be like hectic? I don't know whether that thing is going to... Maybe it just goes in there and I don't mess with it. Maybe it just goes in there and we don't mess with it. Maybe that's an extra. Robomo 2000 antenna. It's alright. It's going in the gap. I should have just added, maybe I'll just, for now, I'll just add it to the Robo, this, and just put them out together. What could you not calculate, man? I didn't change anything. Bruh. Triangulate. Whoa, it added quite a lot of juice. Man, I should try this on a laptop or something. We're probably getting high poly on it. Hey, what happened to my thing? Wait, we got that and we got that. And we outputted a GLTF on Djini GLB. Oh, it's because it's 3000. Perfect. Okay, quick sojourn to actually make the buttons selectable. Come on, Basco. In the input. So mouse ray collision with active cells. Oh, we're just doing that. Let's do are we over the, what did I use mesh collision for? Did I use something? Maybe for Robo No Bros. We need just like a general. So I'm just even worried about doing mesh testing. How many polys do they have? Not many. 142 triangle tests times 3. It's not too bad. We could do something that's like a cheeky little, only do this if the mouse is in that part of the screen. So the mouse position is within this corner. I guess, what's the percentage? Are we over the left corner? All right, night Felix. Uncle Mike, Uncle Rockers. Corner, if mouse G input mouse position dot X is less than some get screen width times 0.25 and if the G input put mouse position dot Y is greater than get screen height, like times 65%. If then do me a what? If G input gets screen height. Why does this one need 2 and the other one don't? Oh, we don't need that. Then wait, why is this sad? 1, 2, if. Why is that sad? Expected a semicolon. From what? Debug text mouse in UI corner. Color aquamarine. Am I really missing something here? If gmPut.mousePosition.x is less than get screen width times thing. I feel like I'm going crazy. Someone show me where the issue is. Oh wait. What is this? Did I just delete something random? Oh, I deleted a whole thing. Oh, whoa, that was weird. Still not happy. Okay. Still not happy. These are the things, the challenges. Color. Burlywood. Blue violet. Mouse over UI corner. Bop. Mouse over UI corner. It was right there. And it's a little, we need a little, it's kind of working. What if the screen is smaller? It's kind of working. Okay, so that just stops us from doing texts. I mean, doing ray collision tests. Ray collision record button collision. Could we like, instead of doing these, could we get like vec2 screen pos record equals world to I think it's like camera dot world to screen. Hey? Is it just broken? Is that the broken one? Far out. Of the we don't even know where that thing is. We don't even know where it is. Where even is it? Probably transform child by parent, switch fx dot position equals we should probably store it. Maybe we just do it in here.
Sorry.
You right, babe? You alright? Maybe we just do it in here. If ray collision rec collision equals collision ray, I mean we could do a ray box from ray mesh from the Game input dot mouse ray to get model tag record switch record dot meshes 0, and the transform is the We kind of need to do one for each of these, don't we? Transform rec xf equals reverse state. This is hard. State equals reverse state playback. We don't even know what robo we're on. Then it is the on switch FX, or is the Game Robomo 2000XF. Okay, and then we can do meshes 0 and the rec XF. So what did it want? Mat 4. Of course, to Mat 4 matrix. What a line of code. Beautiful. And then if rec collision dot hit, then I guess we could do that mouse check over here. Sorry, this is pretty in the weedsy. If all left corner. That's new.
It's still warm.
Yeah, that's a new one.
Rare. The rare moment.
Left corner equals true. So if left corner, then we do all this madness. If rec collision dot hit, then we can go render. I don't know if this is going to work. Outline over the get model model tag robomo switch rec, and the matrix is, we're retransforming the matrix as well, rec xf, and the color is color red. Okay, thoughts on whether any of this is going to work? I don't think so. No. Where mouse over cursor, mouse over UI corner works. Rec collision ray mesh, input mouse ray get model meshes 0. Transform to matrix rec xf. So if it's the robo state playback, then it's the on switch xf. Oh well, why don't we just do a positional check then instead of all this? Just say distance to switch equals GLM distance from okay, maybe we just do, maybe first we do ray collision box collision equals collision. There's just so many, it's got so many things on it. Ray box. I just can't get a. Do I have like a AAB render axis line bounding box? Camera axis align bounding box. Oh my gosh. Jimmy camera.h. Does this have is outs AABB outside plane? Plane normal dot plane distance returned. We need the bounding box. This local AABB. How do we calculate the local AABB? Calc distance from camera. No. Yeah, because testing against this mesh, I think this guy is just too many things. We could have like a proxy guy that's just like a mesh cube. And, oh look, it's just sort of GZ, scale up, scale X, scale Y down, GY. GLB hit mesh. This is like a collision mesh. This is like a crude collision mesh, which we just might have to bring in and load up and transform and put into place. Robomo 2000 collision mesh, collision model. Well, why so many errors? Oh, because I'm halfway through writing stuff. Cool. Robomo 2000 spec models. Robomo 1000 collision. What did I call it? Oh, this is a bit of a hearty side quest. 3000 collision mesh. Okay, so box collision equals collision ray mesh, and the ray mesh is a Game input dot mouse ray, and the constant mesh is get model model tag collision model dot meshes 0. And this transform to matrix of the, wow, what a line, Robomo 2000 FX thing. What did I do wrong? Expected one of these. So Game get model transform to matrix. Okay, and then if box collision dot hit, let's not do this yet, but we will debug sphere at the box collision dot point, and the size is 0.1f, color purple. Okay, thoughts on whether this is gonna work? Oh my god, it just works. Look at that. Oh, it's right off the edge though, so it's easy to like miss this one. Unreal. I'm actually surprised that worked. Robo 2000 collision mesh. Okay, and then we can say if GLM distance between the box collision dot point and the Rick XF dot position is less than 0.1 F. Then render an outline. And come on, baby. Everything's possible. I mean, maybe don't draw that. Maybe it is, but it's just not. Robomo switch record at the record XF and the color is red. What am I missing? What am I missing? I could look at the outline. Options, render passes, outline, pre-pass. We don't seem to be getting any. There's some 1.5, 1.2. Oh, now it's working. Hey, look at that. So it just needs to be a bigger number. So 0.8. So I guess it's just weirdly doesn't know. Maybe this, oh yeah, it's probably, this could be like right there. Interesting that it's, maybe, where is the, huh. Put it like right there. Feels like it should be. Oh, is this something to do with the left corner? Or did I just delete an important line of code? Let's just not do left corner, and let's, oh bro, just stop doing that. Debug text, hello, white, color is, message is distance to rec to F, and it is the box GLM distance. Why am I writing this out so many times? Okay, the distance to record is 1. Whoa, it never gets less than 1. That's crazy. So it's always 1. 1.2. It's going to be like correct far away though. Like all the way up here, 1.01. I don't understand that. It must be something weird that I'm doing. Okay, and then we'll just do these on an else if, and we've got to generate these. Play, roam, Robo state. Oh, that's why. Oh, that's why, bro. Because it's the wrong one. It was the wrong one, sirs. Oh, maybe that wasn't making a difference. Rome XF. It's this, and then we can do whatever. I guess we can just then go. We can just delete all this and say draw model. We can delete these lines. And this, these become these. And this is just draw model, rec. Oh, why are these always in different order? Rec XF. Wait, Rome XF. Rec XF. Play XF. Okay. So we got this. We don't need this anymore because we got our sweet collision test over here. If this, the rec XF position, this is the play XF position. Switch play back. And this is the play XF and the color is blue. House of GLM disembark point in the Rome position. Then this is switch Rome. And then transform to matrix Rome. And then color is color yellow. Bada bing, bada boom. Bruh. Beep. Okay, something went wrong there. I don't understand how it's always one. Play XF equals playback on switch or thing. Rome on switch or thing. Rome XF. So we're drawing them in the right place. Ray collision mix is this. I should have just debug spare this. We do fade color purple by 0.2 F. Bruh. Okay, so we are getting hit. It does look good. That one looks good. That one doesn't work. That one only works. This one works over here for some reason. Model tag, play XF position, Rome XF position. So I feel like what's happening there? Something's happening there. Collision model, the transform matrix. Debug sphere, distance to playback, distance to Rome, distance box, playback, play XF, and Rome XF. Rome. Why don't we make these the same colors so they look good? Blue and yellow. Damn, dude, went to sleep when you're positioning Robomo. Looks like you made a lot of progress. I thought you were going to say, went to sleep and you're still playing with Robomo. Okay, they're all the same distance. Very weirdly, as I move towards that one, it goes away. That one gets closer. And distance to playback doesn't change. Cadet blue. I must have just made a mistake somewhere. Switch XF equals transform child by parent. I think we need to do these. So that just moves it a little bit. If it's recording, then it's the on switch. Otherwise, it's this one. They draw in the right place. These are correct. But all this is weird. Box collision dot point. And that is what I want, right? The point. Distance from point to rec XF. What's that, sorry?
Would you prefer your cabbage a little cooked over raw?
Not necessarily. Distance to roam, distance to roam. Box, collision point to roam, XF dot position.
Fish might get a bit dry.
Oh, you know what this is? It's not about the position. It's not about the position. Or is it? I don't know, dude. Rec pause. Format Vic3, and it is oh, the other thing I can do is we debug sphere. Let's also debug line from the box collision dot point to the XF rec XXF dot position. The color can be red. See if we can see what the heck's going on. Okay, so it's the position inside the frickin' thing. Nice. Why is that what the position is? It's because these switches are offsetted. Because that is where their center is. Dude. Okay, new plan. New plan, and then I'm moving on. Mesh, Q, oh, I don't want to do this. Either way sucks. Cube, scale, way down, G, scale, scale Z, hide. Where's cube 1? GY. There. This is like we're making the most budget collision meshes. Rec collision. Export GX. Is this going to work if it's transformed by Q GLTF play collision? I'm not going to do them all. I'm just going to do one and see if it works. Come on, baby. Let's do rec collision. Game. This is like a thing. This is open MSVC, scroll through code, stare at code, not knowing where to continue, simple snake clone, end up in YouTube rabbit hole. Yeah, nice. That sounds good. I like it. I mean the thing. Hit me with the thing. The gnome. Let's get rec collision. And this is the rec collision. So load that, and then in game, where we were before, we're in here somewhere doing something crazy. Where was it that we were doing it? Rec XF. Okay, we're in here. So instead, let's do this, but rec collision. Rec collision between the mouse ray and get model at rec collision. If rec collision dot hit. Don't worry about all these. Okay, whatever, just do it. While it's coding away, the situation for me is most like 1, open MSPC, 2, scroll through the code, 3, stare at the code, not know where to continue, snake clone. Wait, what? Don't do that. Oh, draw the sphere at rec collision. Dot point. Yeah, that's how it goes. Just keep going. What? Draw a sphere at the rec collision point. That doesn't look right. Why am I getting a sphere all the way up here? What's happening? Did I not change the file name? Probably not. I did, reccollision.grb. Man, this is frustrating. Draw model, model tag recollision at Game Robomo 2000 XF. It's there. It's a bit weird. Bit weird, don't know why it's like that. It's probably because it doesn't have a proper thing. So the rec collision, get rid of the box collision, that can go away. Then we don't do any of this. Don't do that. Don't do any of this. Why not draw the collision? Yeah, that's what we did. Okay, I'm drawing the collision, but why am I getting a sphere at... I feel like that's all wrong. I draw it at the same place, but. So confusing. Very confusing.
It's not done yet.
Pretty much.
Done now? Done in a couple of minutes.
I think it's done. Like, why is it getting things all the way over here? Not there, but there. What am I looking at? Is this like apply all transforms type something? Now it's inside out. Because it's probably doing it around some local thing. Now this is there. I don't want to actually do that. I want to apply scale, and then for some reason mesh, recalculate outside. Okay, now record collision. Okay, now it's doing that, but we're not getting any. Draw it, but we don't hit it. What's that? So no, that doesn't work. Okay, it hits it when it's back in the middle. Oh gosh. Maybe we do want to all transforms it and that it. Yes. Okay, oh my gosh. For a thing that no one's ever going to push in a million years. Oh, okay. Okay, don't draw the collision thing. Okay, now we've got like 7,000 lines of extra code. Beep, 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 beep. I guess we can keep this left corner thing, but it's probably not worth it. It's just a few collision tests. So we can do just the first one. A box test. And then if collision hits, then we just straight away render the outline of the switch rec, that one. We could do 3 in 1, or we could do like, okay, this is, we could do else if collision, ray mesh, and we do this big footy thing over here. Oh, how much pain. Now we need to make other ones. Dot hit. Oh, that's just too painful. Let's just do three tests and oh, this is, where is this now? This is actually the play one.
I'll pop it over here.
Okay, thanks, babe. Wow, this always happens when I do game jams. Incredible food stuff's happening. This is play collider. Export GLTF. So if I just move this, I don't want to move it. I want to tab all this and then move it like that. And then make that the rec collider. And then GX this over here. And then save that as the Rome collider. Okay, fine. So we can do 3 of these. All this formatting is broken. Play collision. It's a bit wasteful, but we'll do it anyway. Oh, we need to add the other ones. Rec collision, deep. Play collision, round collision. Then we need to load them. Bip. play collision, play collision, roam collision, roam collision, play collision, roam collision, else if play collision dot hit, and then else if, and this one we need to rename as well, roam collision. Then we can do this beep 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 beep. Play, switch play. What? Playback, come on now. That's where we need to learn Vim. Okay, and this is red, blue. Come on, dude. Blue, yellow. Okay. Wow, look at this food. Incredible. What a Bing. Oh, that one. Where's that one? What happened to that one? Bip. Bip. Bop. We're doing it. We're doing it. No excuses. Yum. Wow. Playback. Where's the mistake? Mouse ray. Roam collider. Do I need to re-output that? This is the play collider. Play collider, roam collider, rec collider. I don't even change anything.
What was the answer to Felix's question about if you run over the two blue mushrooms?
You get smaller. Alright. If play collider, roam collider, rec collider. Switch, playback, roam, play, roam. Don't make me draw them all. Draw model, model tag, play collider at robomo xf. It's there. Play collider. Play collider. If play collider dot hit. Outline, get model, switch playback. Transform to make it play. What's happening?
What's your keyboard position?
What's your keyboard?
Graphic.
Well, what we have here. Excuse me, I'm just eating. This is it's not a very fancy actual board. It's a Owler Epo Maker. But the secret sauce is in the switches. I use Budgery Gars by Epo Maker. I like them. They sound nice. Whoops. Okay, so why is this not working? The play collision. The break collision, play collision, ray miss, get input ray, get model, play collider, mesh is 0. Transformed to matrix. Is this going? It's like the color blue or something is broken. Full size. It did hit this. I gave him what was left. It seemed okay. Cadet blue. Is it just the color blue is invisible? Full size for the W. Oh yeah, there it is. We're doing it. Try me, record. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. I might just set. Cool. I won. I might just create a chaotic level and run it in the background while I eat a little food. So what about a level where you've got to like you got like these rocks, but they get like you gotta go around them, pick up mushrooms, and get smaller and smaller. You gotta get super small, you gotta get like 3 mushrooms to get in and out again. This is gonna suck though, you're not gonna be able to actually mow the grass. I should just have like a... What's that?
Well, it loops, right?
Well, it goes for 3 seconds, and then it grows back. Both you and the mushroom.
But the whole point of the game is the loop. So you record the loop. Does the second time, does it shrink again?
The mushroom goes, and then 3 seconds later it pops back.
So every time you hit that mushroom?
Every time you hit that mushy. Okay. So you need to get 1 mushy here, and then another mushy here, and then another mushy here. This is gonna be crazy. Oh, it shouldn't be linear like this though. Robomo comps. Oh yeah, we need a tab plus put a Robomo start pos there and save this as like, I don't know, some like high level. I'll just put 6, but this might be too hardcore for level 6. I don't know why that just happened. Did I save it? Yeah, that looks like level 20. Oh, you know what there should be is you gotta get small to get into an area and then mow a big piece of grass. We got to get bigger again. Oh no, we got smaller. This is bad. Oh no, we're under the level. Things are bad. We need to put a clamp on that. Okay, for realsies this time, I'm going to play the game. Release mode, open. It's weird that it creates level 6. Oh, I can make these buttons work as well. Okay. Bzz. Bzz. Oh no, get through! I can't get through that bit. I'm through. I need it. The bouncing's so bad. Okay. Let's open a more gentle level, like this one. Man, the bouncing back is bad, eh? I think there should just be really long record times as well. But you'll need multiple dudes to make most of these. Yeah. What's our quality? Our lawn quality's high. Okay. Oh, I don't want it to go to the next level, but it's going to. Oh, I'm just going to eat. Oh, the endless playback playlist. Sorry for just leaving you on that screen there for a while. Oh man, you gotta making audio lines. Okay, so these things, we did that. It's beautiful. No go Robo Pro with the Robo Mo. Try me, record. Okay, cool. No, I never worked in big companies. Been working as a contractor for a long time, and I've never worked as a coder. Okay, so if we've hit this and we're rid of the outline, then if is mouse button down, mouse button left, then we need to do like if G game player control robo mode dot state is equal to robo state recording, then stop. Oh, we got robo. We've got the robo. We can just say robo turbo. If robo state equals robo end recording. Is that what that is? Else if robo state equals robo state roam, then robo begin recording, right? Physical buttons, and then if this, oh, I hate that. If the mouse button is down and we play, so if robo state equals, well, it only really works if robo state recording. So this isn't going to really do much. So it's going to feel a bit weird that they don't work. Robo begin playback. Because those, they automatically do that. And then if the roam if robo state equals robo state playback or state equals robo state return to start, then robo end playback. Whoo! Pip. Dude. What? Mouse button pressed. chord. I should make the buttons WASD again. And then if I want it to be like beep, now it does that. And then if I push this, playback. I guess I can say if we hit the play button, then if robo state equals playback, or robo state equals robo state return to start, then robo end playback. And input update input. Actually player.cpp. Or is key down key W key S A D. Okay, now we can play with this one, and we can use the mouse as well if we want. What if I was to say stop playback? Oh yeah, that's kind of cool. Okay, cool. Boom shankalanka. Okay. What was I even doing that whole time? Who's getting treats? Good doggies. We need to fix something that says about the that just forces the player position to be process input velocity equals transform position plus equals velocity transform position dot y equals 0.5 f always. Just never. It's not. Is that the number we want? Yeah. Okay, that's cool. Maybe the collision with fences. How do we show how much like record time we've got, how much boost we've got? I kind of want just maybe little bars that, maybe we can have a little bar that sits above the head of the little duder. and goes zzz when you hold down the button. Although that'll get pretty annoying with the recording thing. Oh, you know what we should have? We should have like on the robo. Well, that's a terrible color. On the robo, bro. There's like, we just put a bunch of cubes that follow it around in a circle. We lay them out, and then when it's recording, they're all like red, but they start switching off. Beep, boop, 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 as you run out of time or something. And then when it's on playback, that goes round and round. How do we lay out debug cubes in a circle around the Robo Bro? What was I doing? I was going to chill the knock. Hitting left wall, velocity times 0.15. Oh, is this just going to... Are we going to be able to walk outside the walls? Oh no, that's just much nicer. It's just less... we still can't get outside the walls, so that's the main thing. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, like, this is where we need David Dulassus to tell us how to draw Robomo drawing. Where's outline and drawing? Okay, get rid of particles because they're not working. So we could debug cube. They're not rotatable. We could have little debug spheres, or we could just make... You know what we could do? Work to the engines. Or cancel. Save as... GNOME 43. Open Robomo 1. So we could like how about this? Okay, here we go. How about this? We'll make a plane. We'll make some geonodes, a new geonodes. Get rid of the geo. Add a curve, circle curve. Look at that circle curve. Crank the radius way down till it's like this. Points. Oh, what? Radius. And then we go to points, points, points. Curve to points, 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 out like that. Yeah, now we got some points. And... oh, does this count? 10... 12, and then we'll go like what we need is geometry primitives, mesh primitives, a cube mesh primitive, which is like 0.1, and then we're going to instance on points. Points being this, the instance being this. Yes, exactly. Rotation.z is like... how do you do that? Scale down. Oh, don't affect origins. I don't want that. Transform. Maybe we'll just transform this. Transform geometry. Transform on the Z, so they go up a bit. Yeah. And if we rotate them on the Z, is that how that works? Maybe they're longer like this and smaller. Rotation. That's not how that works. Use the rotation. Oh! Oh! Yeah, little thing like that. Radius in. Size like that or something. But we save this out as one GLB, but we save it out with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 meshes. Is there no bevel? Convex. Maybe we don't need to be fancy about it. Is there a way to output them all? Have to use a bevel modifier. Okay. But say we do that. And then we just add a realize instances. Oh. And we apply this. Apply. I don't like how it goes away. Don't go away. Let's just make a backup and then apply it. So now this is one object. But we get this and we separate selection, and then we get this. So turn off that one. Yeah, then we get this P selection. Then we get this P selection, this P selection, this P selection. Select then all and separate by loose parts. Yeah, could do that. I also don't have a material. You can't set on multiples, can you? Shader editor. It's just that is what I want, I guess. Material, come on, man. Tell me there's a way I'm going to do it. You're going to tell me right after I've already done it. The only bad thing about this is it creates a draw call for every one. So that's a bad thing. How else would you do it? You'd have to like... It also needs a color mask map, which is kind of a pain to tint them. Oh, it's kind of a pain. But it could be worth it. We need an image texture that is new. It probably only needs to be small. It only needs to be tiny. We see this light color mask. New image. Oh, I should have made it white. dang you. Can you edit the actual image? New image. Color into the emission. Okay, so they're totally tintable, and that's on all of them. And then we select them all, and we output a GLTF to models called RoboMo Lights. How many are there? 12. So, okay, yeah, we bring it all in as one thing, but it will split it out based on, what will it split it out based on? We'll find out. RoboMo Light. Game. Man, RoboMo's been in there since the beginning. So when we go to draw the player, we could draw model. Model tag RoboMo lights. The transform is the transform, and the draw color, we'll put it color pink. Although, is this gonna now, for each render object, it's going to create an instance. Oh, so we're going to have to like, I don't think we've got the ability to do it. We'd have to make them all separate objects and load them all in. Dang. 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 So that sucks. The other option is to output 12 of them and do 12 draw calls. I guess it doesn't matter too much. Make this one number 1. What's that? What if you had the antenna slowly move down? Which antenna, sir? Alright, let's not worry about these lights right now. This is just not cool. Like it loses signal after a certain amount of recording. Alright. Maybe. Alright, so maybe I had the idea of like a tree. Could we use the... I think the trees... I think we'd need a kind of a sparse tree. Might be a bit of a pain to make a tree. If only I had some trees lying around. Actually, I did have a tree file. Trees library. Project files, trees. What's this? Doesn't look like trees to me. Whoa. Open, don't save. What's this? No trees. Ancient tree. Gnarly trees. What are these? Where's my trees at? Model. Gnarly trees. Do I have to open this in Blender and then do like import FBX? You can't just drag and drop these days into here, can you? You can. Oh, there's some trees. Do they have textures? They sure don't. Well, what is all that? No hierarchy. Model. Ancient tree. So what's going wrong with you? You got no ancient tree color.png is not the one. File not found. Model. Oh, there it is. Where did I get this from? Actually, go away you. Can I do like a thing? Trees. Huh. Ancient tree, textures. Bring it in. Hey. Where did I even get this from? It's pretty ancient. It's a bit hardcore. Looks like dragon skin. Are there any... Kenny doesn't really have trees, eh? Do they have any like assets? Tools and assets. Kenny, craft picks. That's a whole little 3D game assets. Low poly. Low poly. Can't have the low poly, bro. We can't have the low poly, bro. poly pizza. Every low poly model you could ever think of. Tree. Oh, low poly tree. Something like that's not too bad. Careful, it's big. It is very low poly-ish. Been lurking for a while, but I want to say good luck with the jam. Oh, shot triangle. Hope everything's going well. Well. Hyper casual. Pretty casual. 48 low poly conifers. Unity. How did I get to Unity? Oh, these have got money on them. I see. Tree stump. Not the tree stump. Poly by Google. What does that mean? Oh, is this just like a gator or something? Dead tree. Low poly. Epic city. Oh no, an encoder error. There is not sufficient disk space. What happened? That's a lie. Oh, I had a bit of a crash. Recording disk write error. Could not create file. Did I fill the drive? Are we still rolling? Yeah, something bad happened. They're saying I could not write to drive. The music stopped, everything stopped, man. It just stopped. My drives look like they've got room. I don't know what's going on there. OBS. Maybe because I'm recording to a NAS. I mean, I could just put the Sakura in there, but it's just so hundies. Oh, this tree is so wild. Whoa, what is happening, Blender? Things are crashing. YouTube is not... We're not getting smooth. It's not smooth. We stopped recording things. Everything looks broken, bros. Save the project. Everything's looking a little broken. What time are we at? 7 boldy bowl. Did I cook too hard? Don't save. Did we cook too much? Downloaded too many trees? No. Oh, is this new gnome? The new normal. Blender gnome 2. Oh, you're devilish. You little devil. Hey, that's cool. Oh, what did I do? Oh, it's this one. Does it have to be cooked? Oh, this is the checker. This is... We still live? I don't know if we're still live or not. Should already be there. Gnome. Gnome. Oh, gnome color. Yeah. Oh, what happened? Why are you looking like that? What happened to his shading? It's like there's two outputs. One's... Oh, is it just because it's skipping the shader? Principled. Oh, yeah, there we go. Yeah. So is that good to go? Hat and cube. Join. And they've both got the same thing on them. What if I was to just GLTF this bad boy? Oh, is it the same scale? Is it going to be ginormous? Or did I get a little could not calculate tangentials? Generate, triangulate. Here he is. There he is. Hey, bud. So good. Object mode. I love it. Wow, I just am doing the same steps over and over again. Little chubby boy. Looks so good. I love the little outfit. It's great. Does level 5 have a gnome? Oh, yeah, it does. Maybe you should always face the one direction. Maybe we don't randomize the gnome. You could have big gnomes. Whoop. Looks like Cartman. You have a level that's all just gnomed out. Oh, I just thought of something. Editor draw camera controls. Camera settings. Settings equals Game camera settings. We don't need the camera settings, I believe. Now we should be able to mess with the camera. Camera controls, camera height. Ooh. Yeah. Camera height. Field of view, yeah. Should we go high field of view? I kind of like the isometric look. I've got no way to actually move the camera. Mega ISO. Oh, dude. Ha! It's funny, you can't even really see the small grass. I wonder if you set just the grass Y, so it's still fat. It's just shorter. I wonder what would happen if you did that. Player. Game. Draw the grass. Scale equals Vec3. 0F grass height. 0F. The daisies just don't. Oh, you can see the little stars. Okay. It was a test and it didn't work. I keep looking at lists and being like, let's not. Okay, trees, these features, I think. I like extras maybe. Cool. What did we do all day? What did we do all day? What did it look like at the beginning of the day? Look at the recording of the beginning of the day. To the first and the second, is that today? Okay, start recording. I feel like it looked exactly the same. We tried to do particles. Okay, how far did we come? We got the Robo-Mobro in there. And we added in gnomes, mushrooms, mushroom sizing. We fixed a bunch of stuff. Oh man, there's so many things to still do tomorrow. I'm getting tired. I don't know what's better, to push through or just to go to bed. The wrong editor. Add obstacle. So if type is not equal, make gnome play gnome sound effect. Anything easy to knock out, otherwise say get rest. Yeah. Type is not easy, not easy, not equal to obstacle gnome. Then do the randomization. Otherwise just keep the obstacle gnome. Little teeny tiny gnome. I quite like that you can change the size of them. Bip, 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 bip. You bar. Man, it's so unfair, the gnome. It's way off the gnome. Player. Obstacle size. I think we should set the gnome size to be else obstacle dot size equals size times 0.75. Five, 0.55. Three, 5? Is that a thing? Oh yeah, that feels better. And I think the knockback overall just should be way less. Zero point, just way less. 0.5. Same with the rock. It doesn't have to penalize you. It's just gotta like. Even the rock's pretty good, but it just sometimes gets unfair. So we're using this size, but in player, we'll make the collision detection 1.5, 1.8. Just gives them a little bit more breathing room. Yeah, that feels good, better. Zzz. Zzz. No. Oh yeah, the quality's high. That's so good. Beauty. So another small thing would be if the player if we're recording, begin recording, end recording, begin playback, end playback. So what is the, where is the actual record input. Okay, this one. If recording.timer is greater than max recording, what happens at end recording? Recorder.end transform. This should be in playback is just robo state roam. So the max recording duration 30 seconds. Feels like longer than 30 seconds. Is this going to keep going? Oh no. Okay. So the player record input if GLM distance between the transform dot position and the recorder dot start transform dot position is less than 0.02 f, check to see if we have returned to the start position. And if so, end recording. So, okay, it's going to do it straight away. I guess we can just say if recorder dot recorder transforms dot size is greater than like 100. This is like we've recorded a little bit. That also means that if you sit there for like half a second, it'll stop. Now it's like playing back and being real confusing. Okay, new thing. Oh. Well, that's very close you have to be. New thing, recorder. Ball has left start area equals false. And then we can say that if this only if has left start area and I guess we can say this if the GLM distance check start the register our commitment to recording. Transport is greater than like 1. Recorder dot hazard start area equals true. And then if we ever get to end recording, this must set that recorder dot hazard of the start area equals false. It should probably be on begin recording. Okay. Quite big. 0.5. Boom, 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 boom. Now we don't need that purple state on seeking. So I was just making it, so it used to be like, you'd start recording. Oh yeah, it still does that. It used to be that, you start recording and then if you push space, you'd stop recording and you'd just float back, but that would create issues with like going through fences and stuff. So I made it that you don't stop recording, you just return to the start point. Or do you? Yeah, you got to get quite close. It's a little close. And if you run out of record time, it just cuts the recording and it doesn't start it. I don't know if that's going to be as intuitive, but oh, whoops. And this can be 2.5 or something. Yeah, I'm just sort of noodling away. I don't really have the power to take on anything too big. It also means the little return to start thing is very short. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. I like being able to stop the recording, but it's just, I don't know how to fix the problems. Whoop. Whoop. Robo Pro. Quality meter. Man, why is my lawn quality so low, bro? Satisfaction meter rising. It's rising. It looks like it's struggling to go up. It's getting there. The little boosts are going to be important. At what point do we stop with the mechanics? I think we might be able to put 3D text in the world somewhere. I don't know whether that'll be good. Hey, we did it. There's no like transition between levels or anything. It's just too much. Alright, I think I might be done. I don't know how many hours we did today. I feel like it was a lot. We started, this was length 1.5, 4.5, 2. And where are we going for 2.5? It's another 10-hour or something. Another 10-hour. We've got a few things to do. The jam goes through till $30 hours. So I got till today, till now, tomorrow, and then it goes till 3 a.m. So like another 8 hours or something. I don't know how much. Man, that's a lot. It's going to be tight. Yeah, well, we're going for some high quality stuff. So the UI, I don't even know. Maybe the UI just doesn't happen. We may have some like helper text. I don't know if we have a main menu. We could make some buttons, because my button thing works. I could do some buttons for a main menu, just play. Options, I don't know. A pause button. And I don't know, music, SFX levels. But the sound engine is probably the main thing, and then music and sound effects. And the desktop build, do I need it? I don't know whether we're just gonna ship it with the assets. I saw a trick that was like, you could take the assets and just zip them and call them like .bin or something, so people don't think it's a zip, and then you can read out of the zip, or you could just ship it with the assets in a folder, and you know, whatever, people can open the assets. I guess it doesn't really matter. This is going to require some testing. I didn't really build any levels. I feel like the building levels is going to be reasonably fun and fast. I think most of the stuff's working. I don't know whether we need any more features really. You could, one thing that could be reasonably easy to do, might be a stretch goal, I'll put it in here, is like teleporters. We also need to kind of do some balancing. But things that probably aren't going to happen, particles, oh, I've got things there. Cube map reflections, put these in order of, I don't think we're going to do vertical stuff. I don't think we need that. Are there any more features that it needs to be feature complete, to have enough like different variation? I think the levels, like, I think as they get like bigger, more robos, more crazy mushrooms, etc., more challenging. And it'd be cool if it shipped with quite a lot of levels. Because I think because we got the editor, you just chuck the blocks around, you chuck stuff in there, you test them out, you make sure they're winnable, and you go commit that thing. And then you've got the file and it'll load it, auto load it, or whatever. You could have a skip button to just skip to the next level if people are like can't beat the level. Skip button. Apparently, according to David DeLassus, the mini audio is quite easy to get in. It's not a lot. So I'm hoping the sound engine, mini audio, maybe that's the first thing we tackle, is getting the audio going. Because that's kind of a must. Then we build the levels, and then we go through some UI stuff, and then we ship it. It's funny that the lists are very short, the ones that actually get ticked off. Yeah, we're gonna have to make sound effects. We could just, I could just put my voice through a like robot ariser or something. You need to record. Don't hit the gnomes. I don't know, some voice lines that just play at the beginning or something. Because like having text sitting there that's like, you need to hit record in order to get the satisfaction levels, you know. You could just have like timers that tick on a level and go after a while like lawn quality poor. I don't know. It's funny how like today was like 5 things got done. I'm like, yeah, tomorrow we'll just do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We'll do like 17 things. We didn't get more than like 10 things done. If we make it too good, people won't believe it's done in the time. They'll be like, oh, you must have been working on this game for ages. No, bro, we did it, bro. We just locked in. We just locked in. Get changes. Day 3. Commit all. Push. What kind of PC have you got? Have you got a, like, anyone got a potato PC that wants to test out to see if it's like, it actually runs? I've got an old laptop. Maybe I'll put it on a laptop tomorrow. Let's just have a little pre-look at mini audio. Single file audio playback and capture library. Okay, detailed documentation. Include miniaudio.h. I like it already. Miniaudio.c. Include miniaudio.c. Okay, miniaudio includes both low-level and high-level API. Access to the raw audio data of an audio device. Supports playback, capture, full duplex, and loopback. Device of the abstraction, bloody blah. Data callbacks, unsigned integer. Okay, where's the examples? This is how custom backend. Engine hello world. Okay, there you go. Mini audio result, mini audio engine. No input file. Init, null, result. Okay, play sound. Engine argv. Printf, press enter to quit. Okay, engine. What's custom backend? This is some Inscriptum nonsense. We don't need any of this. Engine advanced. It's taking some time to load. Okay. Bloody blah. Engines, devices, engine. Source manage conf. We're going to initialize multiple engines. Save our memories. We use a self-managed resource manager. These are all just .c files. Chosen device, bloody blah. Effects. Delay. We're gonna make all the sound effects sound good, and then we're gonna play them back. Engine, what is this? Resource simple illumination loopback. Simple looping, yeah, looping. Man, this is bright. Try on the MacBook. I don't think I can build for Mac. It's gonna be PC only. Simple mixing, simple playback. Okay, data callback, MA device, P device, void P output, const void P input, whatever, MA decoder, P decoder, P device, P user data. FP decoder null return. I don't think it's gonna even build for web. That's like a whole thing that I don't know how to do. Oh, whoops. It's just gonna be a desktop application, like a proper game. Which sucks, but I've just been looking at Inscriptum and it's just like, yeah, you should put aside half a day for that. I'm like, oh. MA result, MA decoder, device config, no input file, so this is reading things. Oh gosh, I don't want to. When people write things in C, it's like cool and all, You really need to get into the zone. Capture. You can record. Alright. Surely, if we can get this far, we can get... Yeah, we're going to be desktop. It's going to be download exe and people are going to be like, but I don't wanna. Robo Bros. Robo Mo Bros. Should we call it Robo Mo Bros? Alright. I'm just gonna go crash out and sleep for like 10 hours and then come back. Although I woke up at like 4:30 this morning, which was a bit off. Yeah. Alright, dude. Yeah. Take it easy. Tomorrow... Arigato, Mr. Robobros. Yeah. Tomorrow we take the Robo Bros home and deliver. Deliver the robot mowing experience that people never knew they needed. Yeah. Alright. What am I? Alright.